One of the great things about my son's FreeStyle Libre 2 system is how much glucose information he has right at his fingertips, updated every minute on his smartphone. And he has a LibreView account, so his glucose data is automatically sent to his doctor between visits.
LibreView is a secure, cloud-based system, primarily used by your doctor to manage patients on the FreeStyle Libre family of products. Once you're connected, they receive your glucose information in the form of clinical reports, which they can use to better understand how to help you manage your diabetes. Connecting with your doctor is easy. The first step is to set up a LibreView account if you don't already have one. You can create an account right from the FreeStyle LibreLink app. Next, you'll need to establish a connection between your LibreView account and your doctor's LibreView account. There are two ways to do this. One is to share the email address you used to create your LibreView account with your doctor and ask them to invite you to connect. The other is to ask them for their LibreView practice ID and enter it into the FreeStyle LibreLink app. To connect with your doctor, go to the FreeStyle LibreLink home screen on the menu. Then tap Connected Apps. Then tap Connect or Manage in LibreView. If your doctor used your email address to invite you, you will see a pending invitation. If your doctor shared their practice ID with you, you will tap on Connect to a practice and input it here. Follow the prompts to complete setup. Your doctor will use your reports, including time in range, to help identify glucose patterns and trends, so they can make more informed treatment decisions regarding your diabetes management. And they can use LibreView from any internet-connected device.
It's great that Daniel can easily share his glucose information with his doctor right from his phone. And his doctor can view his glucose trends and patterns to help him manage his diabetes remotely.
Learn how to share glucose data with caregivers using the FreeStyle LibreLink app in the next video.